This is Liam. Last month, he earned $72,000 by posting 30-second clips online. He is one of many teenagers out-earning specialized surgeons by simply repackaging the content you see every time you scroll. Most people trying to do this are still stuck in the old meta. They find a viral moment, add some captions, and post it to TikTok or YouTube, hoping the platform rewards them with a cut of the ad revenue. But the math is brutal. If you get 5 million views with a 15-cent CPM, you walk away with exactly $750. For the attention you're generating, that's a massive undervaluation of your work. When the platform takes nearly half of the revenue and pays you in pennies, the traditional system stops looking like a career path and starts looking like a mathematical trap. 3 specific forces are currently working together to make that traditional clipping model obsolete. First, payout rates are tanking. Platforms keep up to 90% of ad revenue for themselves, leaving creators to fight over the remaining scraps as CPMs drop across the board. Second is AI saturation. Thousands of bots instantly clone human edits, flooding feeds with identical copies. Finally, aggressive copyright enforcement. Massive channels are wiped off the map overnight, cutting off their income. If the platforms are hoarding the money and the bots are stealing the views, it raises a question. How are the top earners still pulling in 6 figures a month? The secret lies in understanding the true value of a viral clip. It doesn't come from ad revenue. It comes from the marketing power you provide to the streamer or brand featured in the video. You are the one driving their growth. Direct platforms bypass the middleman, connecting marketing budgets to editors. Without platform cuts, rates skyrocket. Brands pay up to $10 per 1,000 views. Redoing the math on 5 million views at $3, that same video now pays $15,000. This bypass moves the financial value of B2B marketing straight into the editor's pocket, turning a hobby into a high-margin business through simple attention arbitrage. But securing those higher rates requires more than just hitting upload. The professionals making 5 figures a month follow a very specific tactical playbook. Every campaign comes with a strict creative brief. If you ignore the quality requirements or the specific rules of the brand, your video will be rejected and you won't earn a single penny for those views. They also prioritize volume over perfection. In this model, 10 clips that each get 100,000 views are more valuable than 1 clip that gets 500,000. It's a numbers game where cumulative reach is the only metric that matters. Everything depends on the hook. You have roughly 3 seconds to capture the viewer's attention, which means your edit must instantly match the specific cultural vibe and jokes of the niche you're targeting. To maximize earnings, top clippers cross-post every video. One approved edit hits TikTok to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts simultaneously, hitting the feeds during peak hours when the American audience is most active. Success in this marketplace requires a shift in mindset. You have to stop acting like a lucky creator and start operating with the discipline of a B2B marketer. Once an editor masters the basics, the next step is to scale the operation. The highest earners don't just stop at individual campaigns. They start with the portfolio play. By finding campaigns that overlap, like a music promotion and a gaming brief, they can fulfill the requirements for both in a single video, effectively doubling their payout for the same amount of work. The ultimate evolution is the agency model. You stop editing clips and start managing capital. With a proven track record, you negotiate directly with legacy brands for massive budgets. The agency takes a management fee, distributing the rest to an army of freelance clippers. Real leverage comes from building a system that manages the flow of corporate capital and viewer attention, turning short-form content into a massive infrastructure for digital marketing. A final warning: do not try to cheat this system with bots. Direct-to-brand platforms use aggressive detection software, and botting your views will result in a lifetime ban from the entire ecosystem. The days of making easy money by lazily re-uploading clips for a share of ad revenue are gone. That version of the creator economy is dead. However, for those treating short-form content as a serious marketing enterprise, there's a massive opportunity to access the capital flow of the modern creator economy. The modern internet heavily rewards those who stop fighting for scraps from the algorithm and start following the true flow of money.